Do you want to know how to get access to a router login page when it is not 192.168.1.1? Then you are in the right place. Here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the router manual or label. If you cannot access the router's login page, the first thing you should do is go through the router's manual or check the label on the router for the IP address. Look for a label on the router itself or refer to the user manual. The IP address is often listed there, usually under default gateway or access router. So check that. If you cannot find that, then move on to the next step. Method 2. Verify the correct IP address. Search for CMD, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Type ipconfig and press Enter. Note down the default gateway address. Ensure this is the IP address you are using to access the router's address. Method 3. Check HTTP or HTTPS protocol. If your router's address is not opening, try both http:// and https:// before the IP address in your browser's address bar. Try these protocols and check if it is working now. Method 4. Change browser. Sometimes changing your browser can help. So if you are using Chrome, try accessing the router with Microsoft Edge or Firefox and then check if you can open the router's page. Method 5. Restart your router. Turn off your router. Wait for 10 seconds and then turn it back on. Now try to access the router's home page. If this doesn't help, then reset the router. To do this, find the reset button on your router, which might be a small hole. Press and hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds to reset the router to its factory settings. Note that this will erase all custom settings. Method 6. Network adapter settings. Right-click on the Start button, select Run and type ncpa.cpl. Click OK. Right-click on the network adapter you are using, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP or IPv4 and click Properties. Ensure both Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically are selected. Click OK and then Close. Now try accessing your router's homepage once more using the correct IP address in your web browser. And there you have it. The ways to access to a router login page when it is not 192.168.1.1. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.